Hello family, and welcome to the channel. It's time to get started decorating for this holiday season. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you another unique idea as to how you can take a vase that you may have around your home, add a few vase fillers, and create something beautiful. So if you're interested, by all means, keep watching.
Season. And from my YouTube family to yours, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Gather round the tinsel and the shimmering glow. I'm Gigi, the creator, putting on a show. I'm sharing do-yourself projects and home decor with the best budget ever. You see, that's what I do. Oh, it's Christmas time for styling and fun. We will make your home beautiful.
So guys, in this video, I'm sharing with you how I am going to use these Christmas Norfolk pine picks to create a beautiful centerpiece using this planter as a vase and the vase fillers. Also, this filler comes with a little faux pine cones, and we're going to start this holiday season off by creating a few centerpieces around the home, and then I will be back also to share with you a few Christmas trees. So if you're interested in how my holiday season will continue, become a part of the family by hitting the subscribe button, making sure you tap the notification bell twice so you will always be notified of any and all videos that are created on this channel. Grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you are choosing to drink, and just sit back and relax. Hopefully I will bring comfort and entertainment to you as you just sit and enjoy. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison. All you have to do is relax and enjoy the video.
keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow